In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 30,000 people to view your ClickBank links completely for free, which is in return going to make you some money on ClickBank. Now, I know you might be skeptical with the 30,000 people number, and I would be as well if I was watching a random YouTube video, but let's say hypothetically 50 people out of those 30,000 people go ahead and buy your product. Let's say you're promoting a product which gives you a $30 commission. If 50 people buy at $30, you're going to earn $1,500. So it's a pretty decent return for some free traffic. I'm not saying you're going to get 50 people to buy. I'm not saying you're going to get 10. But even if you get 5, 6, 7, who knows how many you're going to get. Even if you get some people to buy, it's a good return on your money for free traffic, which you can then go ahead and invest it into paid ads. So we'll jump into the video and we'll get started right away. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to clickbank.com. Go ahead and go, and if you haven't already got an account, it's free to join. You would just click on start here in the top right hand corner and you can go ahead and make your own ClickBank account. It's not going to take you long, it'll take you around 5 minutes. Then you'll be able to have your account all set up and follow along with the video. So I'm going to log into my account now. So once you're on ClickBank and you're on the marketplace, which you can go to by going to marketplace here, you'll see all of the different kind of offers that you can promote. Now they have updated this, so if you're used to watching old YouTube tutorials, then it might look a little bit different to what you're used to. But anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and scroll down here, and you see you've got all of the categories here. We're going to go to e-business and e-marketing. So go ahead and click on that, and it will open up all of the offers in the e-business and e-marketing section. Now what I want you to do, I want you to go ahead and find this product here. Now I'm filtering here by high to low and rank, and it's at the top for me, but if it isn't, you can just go ahead and search for it here. Just make sure you find this offer, because this is the offer I recommend you to promote. It works well with the traffic source, and I'll explain more in a second. So go ahead and go to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. You can see it's been on ClickBank for over 10 years. It converts well, it makes people money, and this is what we're going to promote. So go ahead and click on it. It will then take you to an affiliate page. So here is the landing page, and this is what we're going to be promoting. So when people go through the quiz and then they buy into this job, then we're going to earn a commission, and the commission that we're going to earn is going to be on average $39 per lead. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to go and scroll down, and we want to go to the affiliate page here. So go ahead and go to the affiliate page. Now, if you're unsure on what an affiliate page actually is, it's a page which has been put together by the product owner, which essentially gives you all of the tools and all of the resources to go ahead and promote this product. And this is why we're choosing this product, on top of another reason which I'll get into in a second when I explain the traffic source. But if you have an offer on ClickBank and they have an affiliate page, that's always a good sign. It means it's a high converting offer, and they're basically doing all of the work for you by giving you all of the resources to promote that offer. So here is the affiliate page for that offer. Now, if we just go ahead and scroll down here, you can see you've got the upsell flow. You've got a generator. You've got a generator for different hop links. You've got different landing pages and banner ads and all that kind of thing. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and go to email swipes. And you can see they've got 10 emails that we can use to promote this offer. So we're going to be promoting this offer via email, and I'm going to show you how you can reach 30,000 people for free and promote it with this email. Now, we're not going to write our own email because they're not going to convert as good as the templates. These have been tested, they're proven to make money, and we're going to use these because it just makes everything a lot more easy. The traffic as well is also going to be perfect for this type of offer, because get paid to use Facebook, YouTube and social media applies to pretty much everyone in the modern world. And that's why this offer is going to convert so well with the free traffic source. So we're just going to bear these emails in mind. I mean, you can open them and you can read these. Really doesn't matter which email we choose, but we're going to choose one later after I've shown you the traffic source. So there are 2 traffic sources that I recommend. Number 1 is Herculist.com and number 2 is aemailer.com. They both do the same thing and they both work in the same way. We're going to be using Herculist for this video because what we can do is we can advertise to thousands of people daily for free. So by using Herculist, we can advertise to 1,000 people per day. So over the stretch of a month, you can have 30,000 people seeing your affiliate link who might potentially buy. So I'm going to show you how you can do that and how you can get it all set up right now. So head over to Herculist and go ahead and go to sign up in the top right hand corner. I'm assuming you don't have an account. Then you can go ahead and create your account. All you need is your name, where did you hear about us, and a password. Very basic stuff. And then you can go ahead and sign into your account. I'm going to go ahead and sign into mine now. Now there are ads over the Herculist website. That's kind of like a trade-off. The service is free, but they put a lot of ads. So just go ahead and kind of skip these. So you'll know you're on the homepage when it looks something like this. Then we want to go to add mailers. Again, skip all of these ads here. And we can just continue to add mailers. And here we go. Here are the rules. What we need to do is we need to scroll down. We need to go to regular mailer. So just go ahead and scroll down here. We're using regular mailing. And now we can submit our ad. And it's going to go to 1,000 members. Now, these members are people who have signed up for Herculist. So they're interested in making money online. So now what we need to do, we need to scroll down. We need to go back to our affiliates page here. And we need to just choose an email. We'll just choose random email for $40 per tweet. Now, we don't have their name. So we're just going to copy the subject line and leave their name out. So we're just going to have $40 per tweet. But then I'm going to go back to Herculist and paste in the subject line here. Then we need to go ahead and add in the actual body of the email. So we're going to go ahead and copy this here. Okay, so I've formatted the email and now it's pretty much all done. Now what we need to do is get our affiliate link. So go ahead and go back to the affiliate page. You can see here is our affiliate link. Now I'm just going to make sure and just actually click promote on ClickBank. Create hop link. And then here is our hop link. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. I will copy it from the main ClickBank page. I don't think this one actually credits you for the sale. So make sure you copy it from ClickBank here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open up Bitly, which is going to be able to shorten our link for us. So go to create and then go ahead and paste in your long URL, click create, and you've now got a shortened URL, which you can customize if you want to. For the video, I'm just going to copy it because that takes a bit of time. Then I'm going to go back to Herculist and we're just going to copy and paste this in a couple of times. What we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and enter in the URL in the main page. And then we can scroll down and we can go ahead and click submit ad. And there you can see ad successfully submitted to 1,000 members. Now we can do this every single day and we can send targeted traffic to our ClickBank offers. So just go ahead and try this method. I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to get thousands of sales, but just try it and see what happens and see how many sales you actually do get. You can then reinvest that money into paid advertising and make a lot more money. So please do like and make sure you do subscribe if the video was helpful.